Hello everyone, I'm Wilson. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can have two Instagram apps with different accounts running on your iOS device. If you find value in this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me and it helps this channel to grow. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we start, let's check how many Instagram apps I have installed here on this device. To do that, let's swipe to the right until we find App Library right here. Tap there. Now let's scroll down until we find Instagram. Right here, as you can see, I only have one Instagram app installed on this device. Now let's install another Instagram app on this same device. Let's tap here to go back. Tap again to go back. Let's go back. To install a second Instagram app, we are going to use the navigation browser installed on this device. In this case, since we are talking about iOS device, I'm going to use the default browser, which is the Safari. My Safari is right here on the second page, right here. So I'm going to tap there. Now right here at the address bar, I'm going to type Instagram so I can go to the Instagram web page. So I have here Instagram, I'm going to tap there. It takes me to the Instagram web page. So right here on the Instagram web page, right here at the top, you have the option to open Instagram using your app. If you already have Instagram installed on your device. In this case, I have. So if I type here, it will open Instagram. This is not what we want because I already have one Instagram app installed here. I want to install a second one. So to install a second one, what you have to do is come right here at the bottom where you have this share icon, tap there. Now inside all these options, let's go down until we find this option right here, add to the home screen. So we are going to tap here. Now here we have to give a name to this application. Since we already have an Instagram with the name Instagram installed on this device, let's give a different name. In this case, I'm just going to add two, so I know this is the second Instagram app, and then I'm going to tap here done, and it will install the second Instagram app. As you can see right here, I have my Instagram 2 on my home screen. Now let's tap and hold so we can drag this one to the next page where we have our first Instagram app. As you can see, I have here two Instagram apps. One is the one that I already had before, and the second one, as you can see by the name, it has number 2 here. So this is the second Instagram app that we have installed. Now let's check if these Instagram apps are actually running. So I'm going to tap here, the first one, and you can see that this one is working. So I'm going to tap on the second one. And you can also see that this one is working as well. The next thing you have to do here is tap here on login and then add the details of your second account. Once you added the details there, tap here on login so you can have access to your second Instagram account. Well everyone, this is how you can install 2 or more Instagram apps on your iOS device. If for some reason you decide in the future that you want to delete this second Instagram app, what you have to do is just tap here and hold until you get these notifications and tap here where you have delete bookmark. As you can see here, this is not actually a second application. This is a bookmark of the mobile version of the Instagram app installed on your iOS device. So if this is actually what you want to do, just tap on delete to delete this bookmark. You'll get this new pop-up notification. Tap here on delete, and that will delete the bookmark. Well everyone, this is how you can install 2 or more Instagram apps on your iOS device and have different accounts running on it. If you found this video valuable, don't forget, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything else you want to know, leave that in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond or making a video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.